Mind System Secrets is a step-by-step protocol for activating your own internal guidance system pre-programmed for abundant success in every area of your life. We dive deep into all 15 success accelerants, laying out a simple roadmap for infusing each into your life on demand. Anytime you want. Removed any fluff and kept only proven principles grounded in psychology and cybernetics, just like Dr. Maltz established many years ago. Together, your brain and subconscious mind make up your own internal success-seeking missile. Think of Mind System Secrets as the powerful jet engine that propels your missile to your target. Cybernetics was absolutely groundbreaking at the time. Keep in mind, this book was originally published in 1960. Almost 60 years ago. This makes the material outdated. But, the major concepts expounded on by Maltz are still as relevant today. Suddenly I was getting flooded with requests for help from clients in their 20s, 30s and 40s too. Quickly realized my clients were living much different lifestyles than people in 1960. Society had changed drastically. Our daily lifeblood of technology that we rely on today was non-existent back then. So I took the best concepts from Maltz's work and adapted it for the modern-day man and woman. I even sought out the help of a psychology professor at one of our local universities to identify the most cutting-edge research available on human behavior. To get Mind System Secrets or to see a complete review, click on the link that appears in the description below this video.